guys, what's up, bro? So today, you've most likely seen this boring home screen in Google Chrome, but let's make it better. So what you gonna do is go to Chrome extensions and go to web store, abe. Then type material. Well, hold up, yeah, this, and I already added this from Chrome. Uh, so I'm gonna enable it, and when I go to the home screen, yeah, this is like a new bar. So you got your shortcuts, okay. Then you can see the time. You can see the time that's like midnight for me, but I don't care. You can even see the temperature and humidity, and kind of everything. And also, you can search with any website you want. Like, you can do default, Google, Duck, Bing Bing, Brave, YouTube, images, Reddit, Wikipedia, and Quora. And that uh, if you're not needy for AI, you can press this, and there's so many AI to choose for. We got ChatGPT, we got Gemini, we got Copilot, we got Claude, we got DeepSeek, we got Perplexity, we got Grok, we got Meta AI, we got Quinn, and we got Adobe Firefly. So yeah, this is like a productivity tool. Uh, but I'm gonna go to my another account to show you another Chrome extension which actually like helps your or just makes your wallpaper better or something. I'm in my different account. This is my other school account. So let me search up Chrome extensions, and we need to go to uh, glass. Uh, yeah, this, and you need to click here. I already also downloaded this from Chrome, and I'll enable it. And look at this. I have this. This is like so super aesthetic-y. You can add your shortcuts here. But me personally, I love my the material new tab. It's productive and it still looks good. But if you want the full aesthetic and still some work, try this. It's good. It's really good. Like, this is so like detailed, and you can. But to get this live wallpaper, let me just show you. Go to Mo's wallpaper. Mo wallpaper. Yeah, this website, and you can choose from game, abstract, animal, anime, fantasy, games, landscape, lifestyle, movies, others, pixel or sci-fi, and vehicle. You can do any of these things, and you can just download them. Like, example, I'm gonna download this. Like, let me see. Yeah, this is let me just do like a more lively one, you know. Like, let me do like Gojo, like right over here. Download wallpaper. It's gonna download, as you can see. Uh, just wait for the download processing just to work. Uh, then what you wanna go? Then you should go back here. Go to settings right over here. Go again, press settings. Go to theme and upload video. Okay. Now you can press this and then apply, and you got yourself a live wallpaper, and that's how you do it. You can even do photos. That's just fine. But personally, me, I like 3D or lively wallpapers. But me personally, I would still use this. This is really good. Oh, it just turned 2 o'clock. Well, it's getting late. I'm asleep. Good night.